Approved Networks, a brand of Legrand, offers cable management systems to increase functionality while saving you on both space and budget. Our array of rack-mounted panels, MTP cassettes, and adapter plates are designed to provide efficient, functional organization of fiber optic hardware in data centers, premise installations, and telecommunication networks, making termination and management of fiber optic connectivity cost-effective, simple, and intuitive. With multiple rack configurations and virtually every connector option available, cable management solutions from Approved Networks are easy to configure and install. Our product line ranges from simple 8-port adapter plates to 24-fiber multiple MTP multi-fiber type cassettes that are used to properly splice QSFP Plus and QSFP28 breakouts, to our custom-configured 288-port 2U high-density enclosure. This comprehensive line of sliding, fixed, pivot, and ultra-high-density enclosures, cassettes, adapter plates, and couplers enable us to provide solutions for virtually every customer need. All approved cable management products are backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty and have been designed with rapid deployment, flexibility, and simplicity in mind. And they can incorporate both fiber and copper if needed. For more information on our complete line of cable management solutions, call your Approved Networks fiber optic connectivity specialist today at 800-590-9535. ApprovedNetworks.com for the smart data center.